Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speaker, unlatch and remove the base cover from the system. Identify the speaker and unplug the cables. Unlatch and remove the speaker from the system. To reinstall the speaker, relatch it to the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch the base cover to the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.